Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix always on display not working on Narzo 100 Lite. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, restart device, just click and hold side power button and swipe up. After restarting, After swipe up, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin and you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down, and click on sound and vibration. After click on sound and vibration, click on do not disturb. If you want to fix this problem, so make sure turn off do not disturb mode. After turn off do not disturb, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and update. Click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is reset all settings. Click on settings app, scroll down to end, click on system and update, click on backup and reset, and click on reset phone. If you want to fix this problem, click on reset all settings. Enter phone pin and click on reset. After click on reset, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix always on display not working on Narzo 100 Lite. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.